Hello everyone. Who doesn't love pizza? Right? Everybody loves it. But we just can't go out all the time and grab some pizza and have it. Once in a while we can have it, but not all the time. But if you have bread at home, just try this cheesy, yummy, finger licking pizza at home itself. You will truly love it. You just can't replicate the same pizza you have outdoors. So let us start. Here I have taken bread slices and then vegetables. Here I have taken just capsicum or bell peppers and tomato. You can also take broccoli, mushroom, paneer, corn, whatever of your choice. And then I have taken one slice and I have added pizza sauce. I have this ready at home. If you don't have pizza sauce at home, you can add tomato sauce or ketchup and chili sauce. You can mix both of them and then just spread it over this bread like this, as I have done over here. Repeat the same process for the remaining slices also. So you have to spread it evenly on top of it and then add the veggies on top of it. Here I am taking, I have told you, veggies only I have taken two variety. You can take as of your choice. You can also add sausages and anything of your choice. And then here I have taken mozzarella cheese. If you don't have mozzarella cheese at home, you can take Amul cheese and just slice them or cut them into small pieces and then add on top of it. But you should load this bread with more cheese. Then only you can enjoy the taste of the pizza. So I'm loading this with this mozzarella cheese over here. And that's it. Once you are done with the remaining slices also, put it in the oven for 5 minutes in the pizza mode if you are given the pizza mode in your oven. Otherwise you can also put it in the microwave mode for 5 minutes and then that's it. See, your cheese is all melted and see, it's so yummy and tasty. Serve it hot and truly it's finger licking recipe. It's so instant recipe. Please give it a try and let me know how it turned to you. Bye.